Welcome to my channel, and today this video has been a long time coming. I'm super excited because my Oden's Eye Christmas palettes finally arrived yesterday. It feels like it took forever for them to get here, probably because I was so excited. I've never tried an Oden's Eye palette before, so I mean, I've only heard amazing things. I don't know why I've never tried them before, but I'm super excited, and today we are using the Christmas Eve palette. Here is what the inside, and I just want to make sure, can you guys see all the pretty goodness right here? And this is what the inside looks like right there. I'm gonna try and bring it in a little bit so you guys can really see how it looks. It's a beautiful palette. So, funny story, my husband gets a little bit excited sometimes about new makeup, and he actually saw these palettes and was like, oh my god, you need to get these, and I'm like, already ordered them, they're on the way. And so he loves blue, so he picked out a couple shades that he wanted me to use for this look. So I'm going to try and remember what they all were, because we were talking about it yesterday as we were trying to get some stuff done before he had to leave for work. So we'll see how good my memory is and hopefully come up with a really fun look. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to use... This palette's so pretty, like I don't even want to mess it up. It's so beautiful, but gotta do what you gotta do. We're gonna start with the shade. What do I want to do? Okay. I'm gonna start with this shade Le Mauve Tart. Oh my god. Okay, so on the back it says Lemon Tart. On the front it says Le Mauve Tart. So we'll just call it Lemon Tart because I think that's what it's supposed to be. It's kind of funny. I remembered looking at that last night being like, I don't know if that's right. Or maybe there is a thing called Le Mauve Tart. I just don't know about it. It's totally possible. I'm not sure how good that's showing up on camera, but this is the most beautiful yellow shade. Oh my goodness. Like, can you guys see that? It's probably not picking up as well because it's on camera, but oh my gosh, you guys, this is so beautiful. Hold on, I'm gonna get the hair out of the way. One of these days, you guys, I promise, I will pick up some headbands. Because my hair is just making me crazy right now. And I don't know, my skin is just going through it. I am breaking out everywhere. I am so dry. Probably because we went from summer to winter in 2 days. Shout out to the Midwest and our crazy weather. Alright, so... But yeah, it's like my skin can't decide. Does it want to be dry? Does it want to be oily? Like, what are we doing? Which makes it really hard to pick products to work with because, like, every day my skin is something different. So, there's that. Okay. Can you... I feel like you guys can see that. That is freaking gorgeous. Love it. Okay, next he said he wanted me to use, sorry, I have issues with picking brushes, and I'm like, I need to look at the camera more. Stop trying to find my brushes. Now I can't remember what brush I usually use to pack on the color in the outer corner. I think I'm just so excited for these palettes that I can't figure out what I'm doing. Okay, next we're gonna go in with the shade Christmas Eve, which is this beautiful blue shade right here. That is so pretty. Like that pigment, oh my gosh. Really need a headband. I think it's because I'm running my dryer, so my hair is like extra frizzy and just like taken over. Like, I love my curly hair. I used to hate it, but it's grown on me. I just wish that I could have long curly hair. Like, my hair keeps getting wider and wider instead of longer. Which is what I would hope. I was hoping it would grow longer after I stopped, like, damaging it with heat every day, but it just, my curls are wide, not long. So that's just how it's gonna be, which is fine. Like, I'm, you know, getting used to it. Not mad at it. It is what it is. Like, I always wished my hair could be straight. So at least I'm to the point where I'm liking the curls. So that for me is a huge, huge thing. Then he said he wanted me to use the shade Blue Star, which is this shade right here. So we're gonna do that. I'm realizing that my hair is falling out and getting all over my brushes. Alright. So far, I'm very impressed with this palette. This is stunning. Like, all the sparkles in this, it's totally reminding me of like some of the Beauty Bay shimmers, because they are just so beautiful and sparkly and just absolutely gorgeous. And we all know I love the sparkle. Stunning. Just packing this on to get as much of that sparkle as I can get. It's going on beautifully. Ooh, can you guys see that? So pretty. My goodness. Okay. So he also wanted me to use the shade Snowflake, which is this shade right here. So kind of just want to go in and just kind of put that in the center of the eye. I'm trying to decide if I want to go in. I'm going to try and use a brush just to kind of see how it goes on. Ooh. I like it. This feels more of like a chunky kind of glitter, but it looks really, really good. Alright. Just get that built up in the center of the eye. A little bit more on this eye. Alright, so think we're good there. That's really, really pretty. Now for the lower lash line. We're gonna take, because he also said he wanted me to use the shade Night Sky, which is the shade right here, and just put that on the lower lash line to kind of tie everything together. Beautiful. Alright, now I need to do my lower inner corner highlight. Oh-ish. Sorry, I think I got something in my eye. This is probably where I should be a responsible adult and be like, you're not really supposed to use like those glitter shades on your eye, I don't think, but I do it because, I don't know, I just like the way they look. I've never gotten anything in my eye, so hopefully I'll be good the rest of the day. I do feel like I need to brighten this one up just a little bit, so I'm just gonna go on with my finger. There we go. Alright. So now I'm going to do my lower inner corner highlights. And one shade that was really standing out to me was this shade right here. It's called Gorgeous. So I really, really want to use that. It looks like it's like a purpley, greenish, like... Oh, can you see that? Oh, so pretty, you guys. This palette is just amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm putting this even further in than I usually would just because I love this shade so much. Okay, Oden's Eye. Hi, you have a new fan. I love you. I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and this is the finished look. Oh, my hair, you guys, is so frustrating. Alright. Like, I hope... Can you guys see how amazing these sparkles are? Just absolutely gorgeous. And this was the Oden's Eye Christmas Eve palette. Let me get this started the right way. Here you go. Here's the inside of the palette. Absolutely beautiful, gorgeous, stunning. And also it came with this cute little keychain. Here it is. Can you guys see that? It's really, really cute, and it's got like little charms inside and they kind of move around. So yeah, this is the Oden's Eye Christmas Eve palette. Tomorrow I'm going to be filming with the Merry Christmas palette. And I love this. Like I said before, Oden's Eye, you got a new fan. I'm going to be purchasing all your palettes. There are a couple that I want to get that are having a Black Friday sale, so I'll probably be picking those up. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Just please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Most of my viewers are not subscribers, so help a girl out, subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all in the next one.